know anything about birds? I know something about birds, but this puzzles me. I'm sitting here and I hear what I presume is a bird, and I hear this. Much louder, of course. Just single notes, as if someone is questioning, looking for something, and yet it's got to be a bird. There's nobody around. I have no idea. I've never heard this before. There are what seem to be tree frogs somewhere around here. And occasionally there are hawks that go over. There's one hawk that was flying over today. I wanted to go like this, except I didn't have the wits about me to do it in time. And it was gone before I could. It was just sailing around the sky, back in circles, back and forth. And then it moved away. Except there were clouds up there at the time. Now there's nothing. For a while it got really cool because the clouds came in and there was no sun. Now there's sunshine and no clouds. I just love when there are no clouds and there's sun. I don't really like the temperature today because it's gotten much cooler. I guess yesterday was the last, brave attempt at summer, and now we're into, pre-fall. I mean, it's still August, so it's got to be pre-fall, but anyway, whatever that bird was, it's gone. And of course, I was not fast enough for you to get it. Something like that. It was cool. It was bird-like. But like no bird I'd ever heard. Mystery bird. I bought the next book. So this one is called, oh goodness, it's got a different, no, there's a cop. It's got a different name. The okay. What is constant is alterations. It's not the lightning. So the first one was called Lightning Rider, Alterations 1. But it's hard to do one-handed. The next one is called Shadow Boxer, Alterations 2. And it just continues on. And why I really like it is because, like Highlander, it involves history. So, of course, if you're a time traveler, you travel and experience history. So the first one, she met a Roman who was in Spain, and now she meets Tesla. I mean, it's just way too interesting. So that really, keeps my interest going. Yes, so that's where I'm at. I did a little bit of work when I was inside before, when it was colder and cloudier. I did some organizational stuff, because it doesn't matter if I scan book after book if I don't have things organized. So I did some organizational stuff. God, I'm so, organized. What's wrong with me? Anyway, ta for now.